Ben Antoine, donc comment ça tu y a ça là?
Donc, ba yon formula, ba yon chauffeur là pour MPAH, the awards in Boston. Donc, ba yon chauffeur demain là. Make sure you be there. Check it out.
Mais est-ce que
Got it. Frank's out of his car.
What?
He stepped out of his car.
Okay, I see. I need guns.
Yeah, saw it coming up in 50 yards.
What happened?
I don't know. Somebody must have grabbed it.
What you mean somebody grabbed me?
Look, man, I thought it was lit.
What you mean you thought? Man, get the fuck out of my car.
What?
I said get the fuck out of my car.
I'll whoop your head, boy. You know I will. I'll whoop your head, boy. With the back of the steel. I'll whoop your head, boy. Your cabin get peeled. I'll whoop your head, boy.
I got work to do. But let's look at it another way. So you got two choices. You either sign us over the deed, or I can blow your motherfucking head off and leave you right here with the rest of these crabs. All right? That's all I'm saying.
Yo, what's up?
That's cool, it's cool. I just want to give you my tape. Demo, man, it's good, man. Check it out.
That's your ride?
Yeah.
Hold on a second. That's 500.
Yeah. Check it out, man.
All of you motherfuckers is a bunch of fucking idiots. We know that because God always sends a dumb-ass motherfuckers to me. Just like my dumb-ass, couch-buying wife. James Animal Allen. Welcome home. Been a long time.
Not long enough.
15 years you did here. You finally get out, and what happens? Straight back in the joint like every other dumb fuck that ever left.
Right. Talking about the excitement. Now, between practice time and game time, it gets really hectic in there, which means interview time is going to be very tight. I need y'all to be sharp, and I'm going to be looking for you to be ready with...
Oh. Let's go.
Eric,
I'll step outside.
I need you to be here.
Right after this call.
That I really need you to take later. Unless, of course, you want to skip Reykjavik altogether and cover women's soccer till the end of time.
Hello. Joan, yeah, I'll call you back.
Are you done?
Baby, come here. Baby, what kind of dream? What kind of dream,
A
baby?
bad one.
No, baby, listen, look at me. Look at me. It's over. No more treatments. No more false hopes. No more empty promises. Alicia Roberts, you are going to be a mother today.